For millions of years, the great cedar forests have greeted the morning sun. They are the lungs of our world.
Every pencil begins here in this forest with this tree. The filming crew followed one tree from the moment it was cut.
In the next 10 minutes, every single step between these two things will be shown with nothing hidden and nothing skipped, and that this is the full process.
For every cedar tree harvested for pencils, 3 are planted, and the plantation visible in the frame is why pencils will still exist in 50 years.
The fallen tree is 23 meters long and 1 meter wide at the base and 40.
Limbing is the removal of every branch cleanly, and that any branch remaining on the log creates a knot in the wood.
One facility running 3 shifts 24 hours a day converts raw cedar logs into finished pencils at a rate of 12,000 per minute. This yard holds enough cedar for 40 million pencils. The bark is not wasted and goes directly to the facility's biomass boiler, heating the entire factory. The tree is
Quartering the log aligns the cuts with the natural grain direction. This ensures the pencil slats won't warp, connecting the
This pencil slat measures 172 millimeters long and 7 millimeters thick. From this single piece of cedar, 2 pencils will be made.
The slats spend 72 hours at 80 degrees Celsius inside the kiln. This removes from moisture Paraffin wax is forced into the cedar fiber under pressure, and this is the step that makes pencil sharpening feel smooth.
The yellow of a pencil is stain absorbed into the cedar wood itself, not surface paint. This is why a pencil shaving is yellow all the way through.
2 semicircular grooves are cut, each exactly matching half the circumference of the graphite core. Together, they create a perfect.
A graphite core begins as a precisely measured mixture of graphite powder refined clay.
The graphite clay mixture is extruded through a tungsten die under 800 pounds per square inch. The emerging continuous rod is fragile until fired.
Each core is cut to 170 millimeters, and that this is exactly 2 millimeters longer than the finished pencil, because the kiln operates at 1000 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes, and that the clay in the compound vitrifies, fusing permanently with the graphite.
Hot oil treatment force wax and oil into the fired core under vacuum, and that this is the step that makes the pencil write smoothly on paper rather than scratching the surface. Each production batch is brake tested. A core too brittle breaks inside the pencil when it is dropped, while a core too flexible indicates incorrect kiln temperature.
PVA-based adhesive is applied only inside the groove and never on the flat surface. The precision nozzles work
6 cores per slat are placed simultaneously by automated arms, and that each core center must align with the groove center.
The second slat mirrors the first, and that when the 2 slats close, the 2 semicircular grooves become one complete circle.
The PVA glue bonds the cedar fibers across the joint surface, and when the bond is cured, the joint is actually strong.
Inside this single piece of bonded cedar, there are 6 graphite cores, and that 6 pencils are waiting to be cut free, and that they do not know they are pencils yet.
The hexagonal shape is not an aesthetic choice, but a functional one, as it stops the pencil from rolling off the desk.
This is how a quality pencil can be identified, because the graphite will be perfectly centered at both ends if the manufacturing was correct.
The final surface roughness achieved is 4 microns, which is smoother than in most finished furniture. 7 lacquer coats are applied to each pencil, not 1, and each coat is applied, then dried, and then applied again.
The colored tip cap is applied in a single precise dip with the depth controlled to 2 millimeters, and the color identifies the pencil grade.
Hot foil stamping uses gold leaf pressed onto the lacquered wood surface at 160 degrees. The eraser compound is not pure rubber. It is 60% vinyl and 40% pumice powder. The sharpening test confirms that the cedar curls cleanly without any splintering and that the graphite is perfectly centered.
Every production run is writing tested against a standardized darkness scale, and that the mark visible on the frame has a density rating of 2.4, and that the specific.
The industry standard is 0 coolant for core breakator. It's at 3 drops from.
Hardness is verified by densitometry and not by subjective feel, and that the same pencil must make the same mark on the same paper with the same pressure.
Every 2,000 pencils produced, a sample of 50 is pulled for full quality testing, covering sharpening, writing, drop test, moisture, and core centering.
X-ray verification of core centering is performed, and that a deviation of more than 0.3 millimeters results in rejection, because an off-center core means the pencil breaks.
12,000 pencils are completed every minute in this single facility. The production is, while you'll watch this video,
Pencils are counted into dozens, and that 12 has been the standard pencil count since 1842, and that the box size and the display unit and the school supply list are all built around 12.
"12 pencils in one box weigh 87 grams, and that the 40 years of forest growth that produced them weighed 23 tons.
Each box carries a production code tracing it to the exact hour, shift, and batch of cedar that made it. The traceability.
One master carton contains 5,760 pencils, and that a pallet of master cartons holds 115.
One container is destined for Germany, the next for Japan, and the one after for Brazil.
The cedar and graphite from this Oregon forest will be opened in 30 days by a child in Frankfurt. The forest the pencils come from is still growing, and that for every tree taken, 3.
One pencil draws 35 miles of line and writes 45,000 words and survives 17 sharpenings.
At 3 in the morning, the factory has not stopped and will not stop, because tomorrow 46 million children will go to school, and they will all need a pencil.
40 years in a forest precedes 14 manufacturing steps and 300 miles of transport and 12,000.
The child who drew this tree does not know it was made with a tree, and that now the viewer does.
Here is a forest and a pencil, and that they are the same thing, 40 years apart.
Production note: every frame in this video has been transformed through the careful multiple stages creative process, from the concept development and GIF planning to viewer 3 generation and final editing. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is too committed to organical, original AI craftsmen and the policy friendly content creation.